sensual, as comforting as your best friend's laugh. With highlighter, lipstick, and mascara, I express who I am right now and who I want to be. CoverGirl. I am what I make up.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you the entire CoverGirl spring collection. It is really crazy, but CoverGirl actually sent me the entire line and I was just super excited to show it to you. Just because, I mean, it's the entire big old package. Let me get it. So this is the box right here. So honestly, I was not expecting to receive this package like this big. It's the entire line. Like, I just didn't think, you know, usually if a company sends you something, it's like maybe your shade or maybe, you know, a couple of products from the line, but not the entire thing. So I'm extremely grateful and I'm really happy. Thank you to CoverGirl for sending it over to me. So in today's video, I pretty much want to show you what's inside and what they have coming out for spring. So I mean, there's no way for me to like hold it in. Like, I'm excited about the package, but I'm also excited to show you all the products because I get to swatch everything or show you all the shades, show you all the colors and everything that comes inside. So whenever you first open the lid, it comes with this screen. I'm gonna kind of show it to you right here, and it starts playing.
What does my face tell you?
Like, really, that is pretty cool. So yeah, so that's the thing that comes inside. Okay, so I have to turn that over in order for that to stop playing. But whenever you first open the lid, it has all of the Melting Pout lip shades. And I did use already Current Nude, which is the nudist one in here. And then, well, I still have all of these that I need to try. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you, because I wanted to try at least a few things before I like showed you everything, so that way I can have something to talk about. So the only one that I've tried is this one, which is the nude shade, and this one is called Current Nude and is the number 340. So these are all the swatches. I have them all right here. And there is quite a few nude ones, which I'm not mad about because they all have a different undertone to them. So I'm going to start off with the first one that I have used already. And this one is called Current Nude, which is just like a nude, like completely nude. That's it. And then you get a pink nude, and that one is the second one over. I also like the third one because it is a peach tone nude. And then you get another pink peach nude, and then a more like blush, I guess I would say it's like more of like a dusty rose type of pink. Those are all the nude shade options. And then you get into the colorful ones, which that one is a purple one called Sismic, and it is so nice. Like, it is a nice purple. I just got one from Tarte. It was a lipstick though. And this one is more of like a liquid lipstick, but I just love the color. Like, especially right now for spring, I think that's a really nice color to wear. And then there is a navy blue one, which I don't think I'll use too often, but it is a fun color to have. And then your red one is just your typical red. I mean, this one's more like a raspberry red type of shade, so it's not like super bright, but you get some color there. And then the gray one is another one that I don't know how great it would look on me, but to create different looks, because honestly I've been trying to practice a lot more and step up my game on my makeup, especially my eyes. So I mean, I'm just trying to get better, trying to practice, trying to use different techniques, and pairing it up with fun colors on the lips is a goal of mine, so that way I can make different looks. And then the brown one is so nice. It is a warm brown shade. I think it's going to be one of the ones that I use a lot. This one is called Paradise Lost, and it is a nice brown. It's not like too dark or too light. It's like a nice brown. And then lastly is a violet, dark violet, and I honestly thought it was gonna be like almost black, but no, it wasn't. It was more like a purple. So those are all the Melting Pout shade options that CoverGirl came out with for spring. Just so you know, those are kind of hard to come off. I did have to use a waterproof makeup remover because they are liquid lipsticks. Also, I know my eyes are pretty intense. It took me forever to do this double cut crease thing here. Honestly, like, first I did it and then I removed it, and then I did it again and then I removed it again because I couldn't create that line in the middle. It took me forever. But anyways, like I said, I'm trying to practice, trying to get better. If you guys like it, I think it came out pretty cool after my third try. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Okay, so the first drawer is this one. This one comes with all of the lip glosses, and these are actually the Katy Perry lip glosses. These are called Katy Kat Glosses, and they do have a little cat on the lid, like on the top. And then the bottom ones are the CoverGirl Queen Major Shade. These are also matte lipsticks, and the one that I'm wearing right now is this one called Insider, and I also already used the first nude one too. This one's called Cakewalk. I used that one on Easter because I was wearing pink on my eyes and I wanted something pretty neutral, pretty natural on my lips, so I went with that one. And then I also got the CoverGirl Melting Pout Glit. So it's pretty much glitter, but for your lips it's silver. So let me go ahead and show you the swatches for the lip glosses. And for the lip glosses, it even comes with a white one. There's a white, a nude, a pink, a red, a burgundy, hot pink, light purple, medium purple, darker purple, shimmery purple, dark purple, like purple. There's so many purple. That's my favorite color. That's perfect. And then a sky blue lip gloss. These are lip glosses, so they're not like super intense, but they do have pigment to them. Like, they're not clear at all. They're not clear, but they're not like extremely intense on the lips. I've tried the nude one, and I was also wearing this one on Easter on top of one of the matte ones, and so I did use that one. It does have some glitter in there, and you can see it whenever you put it on your lips, but it's not like super glittery. It's not like a real coat of glitter. It's just a little bit of shimmer. So these are all the colors. They are sticky at first. You wear it on top of a lipstick. I wore it on top of a matte lipstick. It does dry down, but you can still see the shimmer. You can still see the glitters. It does have little glitters in there, but when you first apply it, it is sticky. So I mean, it's a lip gloss. It is what it is. It's a lip gloss. So like I said, this is the little bottle. Actually, let me show you one that doesn't have it in the front. So these are the containers, and look at how cute they are. Like, this purple is such a pretty purple. Like, I can't wait to create a spring look using some of these shades. And one of the colors that I think is really nice for spring is this peach pink lip gloss. That's really nice. Of course, all the other colors, I can't wait to try them, but those are in particular some of the ones that I do like the nude one. I did like it. The white one, that seems a little weird. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with, but for sure I'm gonna try it at some point this season or in the summer, so we'll see what I come up with. Last of the lipstick shades are all of these, and like I said, these are the major shades, and then the glitter. But as for these, it has some very pretty nudes in this line. The one that I used with the lip gloss on top of it is Cakewalk, which is the first one on the swatches. Is the perfect color for any eyeshadow look that I create. Today I'm actually wearing one of these nude ones, and it's not that one. It is this one called Insider. This one's the one that I'm wearing right now. And just so you know, you do have to apply like 2 or 3 coats in order to get it like really opaque, and you know, you just have to go over it a little bit. So it's not like the most intense coverage at the beginning on the very first layer, but you know, just apply 2 or 3 more and then you'll get this nice even application. It does not transfer. It does not get on my cups or my water bottles or anything. Now, it doesn't last forever, like the entire day and night. It didn't do that, but it still lasts for plenty of time for me to say, you know, they're pretty good liquid lipsticks.
What does
especially
my face tell you?
It doesn't what was I saying? They last enough for me to say that they're good for drugstore brand. Like I said, the color that I am wearing right now is called Insider, which is a more cool toned nude. I forgot to show you the swatches because I'm actually doing the swatches as I'm talking about them. One of my favorites from this Melting Pout line is this orange one. It is beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to put on orange eyeshadow and put orange lips like this. I don't know why, but I just think it is so pretty. It looks more like a coral orange in the bottle like this, but whenever you swatch it, it looks like an orange shade. So this one is called Bay. I mean, that's already a cute name, you know? And it does look super orange, so I really do like it. It's like a true orange. That's exactly, like, if you think of like a little cutie, have you ever tried those oranges, I'm sure you have, that's exactly the color that it is. So it is a really, really nice orange. I can't wait to use it. So this one is a Melting Pout, which is called Double Platinum. I just opened it right now because I hadn't used it yet, but it is a silver glitter for your lips. So I guess if you want to do like some fun looks, I don't know. I haven't tried platinum lip gloss on my lips before, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Brand new. I haven't even used it at all. Oh wow, it is a really nice silver. Look, let me show you a swatch. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand because my arm is a mess already. But this is the lip gloss. It is super metallic. It is just a silver. So I guess that would be pretty fun if you're creating, I don't know, a fun look. But I don't normally wear silver lip gloss, but if you do, well, that's a cool one. Or if you do different type of looks and you want to try a glitter, here's this one. Okay, and then for this one, they put all of the eye stuff in here. So it comes with eyebrow products, eyeshadow palettes, and then some eyeliners and some mascaras. I did already use this one, and this one is called Rich Brown, and I used this one on the outer part of my eyebrows to make it like a little bit darker. So it does come with the spoolie on one end, and then it's like a mechanical pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the swatches from light to dark. Those are the swatches right there. They're not like super intense. The first one is Soft Blonde, and then the second one is Honey Brown, and then the next one down is Soft Brown, and then Rich Brown. The pencil is really thin, and then the spoolie is also really nice and thin. And then they also have the pomades that come with a little brush on the top, so it's right up there. So the one that I'm wearing on my eyebrows today is this third one down, but this one's the first one that I got, and that one is 720. This one's in the shade 720. This one is 715. This one that I'm wearing today is 710. So I'm wearing that one a little bit towards the outside of my brow. And then this last one, which is almost black, that one is in the shade 705. Even though I can't possibly show you everything on my face, at least the swatches help a little bit with that. And then are the eyeshadow palettes, and these just depend on like what you like. So I am excited to use this one. This one has a whole bunch of colors. It does come with this little double brush applicator, but this one has a lot of colors. And I did already swatch some of these because I wanted to see them. I used this one on the eyes just to try it out. The purple one, which like I said, I've already tried that one on my eyes, and then they are really soft. So they do they're like kind of powdery. That one is the light blue one, and then let me see, I'll try the dark blue one so you can see that one. That's the dark blue one, and then I'm gonna try the light pink one right there. So you see how it kind of fell. They're kind of powdery, and the only one that I've tried on my eyes is the purple one, and that one I did end up using it with a makeup mist, just so that way it can stick a little better and you can see the purple a little bit more. So I have tried that purple one. This one's called Kool Kat, and then the other one is the nude one, and this one is called Hot Cat. It's the neutral toned palette. You have the gold in there too. So these are really nice. They are very shimmery. Let me swatch both of those. So those are both of those swatches. So yeah, if you want to see some looks with any of these, let me know which palette you would like to see, if you're interested in the colorful one or in the neutral tones. And then they also sent the smoky one, which comes with a lot of cool toned black and gray and silver eyeshadows. So this one, I just opened it right now. This one right here, which is a like dark metallic, I would say like a gunmetal type of shade. And then this one, and then this purpley one. So those are the shades right there. There you go. And all of those have shimmers in there. So this one's the smoky palette. Next are all of the eyeliners that are up here, and they actually have 5 of them. These are all the shades. Okay, so this one is the first one. This one's like a blue-green eyeliner. I really want to use that one. The brown one too. I never use brown on as my liquid eyeliner, like never. It's either black, and it's super matte black. I don't really like to use anything else. It's either a really matte black or nothing, like today, no eyeliner at all. So I really do want to use the brown one with like a neutral tone eyeshadow look. you know, just to combine browns and browns. And then a shiny matte one, which is this one right here. Oh, the metallic matte. That one has some shimmer to it. And then a matte black. So a shimmery matte and then a metallic matte. This one is really dark, so I do like that one for sure. And they also have these new mascaras. These are the Peacock Flare. There's a black one and then a waterproof black one and then an eyeshadow primer. And I haven't used an eyeshadow primer. Like, I rarely use eyeshadow primer. I usually use like a concealer. But yeah, they do have a primer. So if you're interested in a drugstore primer, CoverGirl has one. Lastly are all of the skin products. So they do have some new highlighters that are like liquid highlighters or like yeah, because they're not powder, so like a liquid highlighter. And then these right here are to put underneath your foundation or over your foundation to make your skin look glowy, like underneath the foundation. These are the powders, and then some concealers right here, and then different shades of the concealers, and then a setting spray. And these right here are all of the shades of the highlighters that they have. This one is number 1. I put them in the wrong order because they were in the wrong order in there. So this is number 1, 2. This one is number 3. They don't have names, they're just numbers. So this one's 3, that one's 4, 5, and 6. So at first I thought these were eyeshadows, like eyeshadow primers, or you know, that, you know, liquid eyeshadows, but they're not. They're highlighters, so you can apply them up here. And then as for the powders, my shade would be this one, which is Classic Ivory. That's the one I'd use to set like my face powder, or my foundation I mean. So this one right here is Classic Ivory, Buff Beige, Medium Beige, and Warm Beige. And then they also have these Vitalist Go Glow, and these go underneath your foundation. This one I'm wearing it today underneath my foundation. It's really, really light though. I didn't really notice that much of a difference. It does have a little bit of shimmer, but it's not anything like glittery or anything. And then this darker one, which I'll use that one probably tomorrow so I can see the difference, because the other one didn't have a lot of tone to it. This one is in the color 2, which is Sunkissed. So the first one is the number 1, and it is called Daybreak. It does have a light shimmer to it, but it's not like super glittery or anything. And this one is really, really warm. Okay, so almost done. These are all of the concealer shades. So there is 6 of them that I have, and this one would be good for me for like highlighting. I would say these 2. And then this one right here is like my foundation shade. So if I didn't want to highlight, I just wanted to use it as a regular concealer, I would use that one. None of them have names, like not even a number. These don't have any names or numbers on there. And then the CoverGirl Look Lockup Setting Mist. So there's that one. And then lastly is the Correcting Concealer Kit. Concealers in the kit. The yellow one on top for brightening, like if you wanted to put that underneath your eyes. And then the green one for correcting any redness. And then the purple one for brightening. 3 shades that you get. The yellow one, green, and purple. And this one is called the Pre-Touching Palette. So it's pretty much everything that came in this package. If you are interested in anything specific, please let me know in the comment section. I'm thinking of doing lip swatches at least for each collection. But if you want to see something, maybe a look on one of the palettes, or just anything at all that I showed today, maybe a full face using nothing but CoverGirl products, I would love to do that. So just let me know in the comment section if you do want to see that. And that is pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.